This week I did an experiment with 4 LEDs instead of the 2 that I used last time, and I'm gonna show the results very briefly. This is the photo of the system that consists of 4 COB LEDs Full Spectrum. They are installed at an equal distance between them using the 10 centimeter wide heatsink with a length of 39.4 centimeters. This is a photo of the system. I used two 40 CFM fans with size of 8 centimeters per side. They work at 12 volts and 0.45 amperes. This is the heatsink. It's anodized black. This is a photo of the system working, and another photo where I show the holes that I make to introduce the thermocouple wires in order to measure the temperature of the heatsink as close to the surface as I can. The results are these ones. At an ambient temperature of 24 degrees centigrade, the temperature in zone A, which is this zone, is 46 degrees. In zone B and in zone C, the temperature is around 43 degrees centigrade. This can be seen here. This result is very similar to the one I got from the 20 centimeter length and 2 LEDs. And a possible explanation for this is that I am increasing linearly the dissipation capacity by increasing the length of the heatsink in proportion to the LED numbers. So last time I used 20 centimeters for 2 LEDs, and now I'm using 40 centimeters for 4 LEDs with the same CFM. So this might explain the result. And that's it for this week.